In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a mini storybook accordion style. This is a super simple printable storybook for anybody with a Leo birthday. You'll need 2 pieces of 12 by 12 cardstock paper and 5 pieces of 8.5 by 11 cardstock paper. So once you've printed out your story, then you're just going to cut each of the pages out, and they're 3 by 4 inch. Then you're going to take your 12 by 12 pieces of paper and cut those into strips of 12 inch by 4.25 inches. And then you'll need one little end piece at 3.25 by 4.25. And then you're going to accordion fold all of your book parts together. There are 3 sections, so you'll fold them in and out of each other and then add your little end piece. And then once you're done with that, you're simply going to adhere. First you adhere the book together, and then you're going to adhere all your pages into the book. Super easy and super fun. And then once you get all your pages adhered into the book, you can embellish it however you like. You can make it your own. Add other things, add extra. I add a ribbon on the back so that I can tie it together. If you add a ribbon, make sure you put the ribbon on before you put your back cover piece on. That's super important. And here is the finished book. You can find all the instructions down below, and for more printable stories, head to gulfportgnomes.com.